Did you know CED Houston and our 6 satellite locations maintain a robust inventory of Square D wiring devices? This line is feature-rich with Wi-Fi connectivity and easy to install. Watch this short video to learn more.
This video will show you how to easily install Square D by Schneider Electric's 3-way switch. These switches are typically used to control a light or device from 2 different locations. Before beginning, ensure the circuit breaker that powers the switch has been turned off at the electrical panel. Confirm it's off using a properly rated voltage sensing device. The 3-way switch has 3 terminals. The top left is where the hot wire is terminated. The second terminal is where the neutral is terminated, and the third terminal is where the traveler wire is terminated. First, make sure your neutral and ground wires are connected. Then take a lead from the ground bundle and wire it to the green screw on the 3-way switch. Attach the hot, load, and neutral wires to the terminal screws. The following diagram is an example of a common installation. The lighting fixture is between the switches, as shown here. Once your wiring is complete, you can mount your device by simply tightening the screws. Then install a Square D X Series rocker plate and wall plate, or upgrade to an XD series. Restore power and test. Visit the Schneider Electric Wiring Devices homepage to learn more. se.com/us/wiring devices.